From extreme heat to severe storms, a wet and windy evening in parts of the US East Coast. Severe thunderstorms have impacted large parts of the US East Coast. Here's the weather front as it passed over the White House. Government offices in the capital also closed early, and the National Weather Service issued a tornado watch for areas from Alabama to New York, covering almost 30 million people.
Hundreds of firefighters are battling wildfires in Portugal. The country recorded a temperature of 46.4 degrees Celsius yesterday, the hottest this year. More than 1,000 people had to leave their homes in Odemira near the Algarve. Antarctica is suffering. That's according to scientists who claim burning fossil fuels is causing extreme events that were unthinkable 30 years ago. Experts have identified almost a dozen ways that humans are changing the Antarctic, from melting sea and land ice and collapse of ice shelves to warming oceans and atmosphere.
Now, in Alaska, speaking of climate change, melting ice in a glacial lake has caused flooding along the river as water gushed out and swept through Juneau, the state's capital city. Water levels along the swollen Mendenhall River are now beginning to fall, but the highly unstable banks have already led buildings to collapse and locals to wonder about the impact of global warming.